Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's quickly see what Bitcoin is doing because it's currently up about 8%, was about a little bit more, but you can see what Bitcoin is trying to do. It was in this channel like I explained in my previous videos, and you can see we have just cracked a little hole in this resistance line, and you can see we are coming and look at this, how beautifully we broke this level. Okay, now if you go to the 4 hourly time frame, you can see that we broke this support line. As soon as we broke it, it had a I believe this was a fake out, and then we carried on going over and breaking all these levels to the upside. So this was a very major resistance level, and you can see as soon as the 4 hourly candle closed above this, you can see this candle going towards the upside. Now, even if you look at the volume came in for this specific candle, and you can see all the moving averages are below the price now. Now, this is a very beautiful indication, and we want to stay above this resistance and all the moving averages. Even if you look at the daily time frame, you can see we just went above the 20 moving average, where this resistance and the 20 moving average were crossing. Actually, look at this, how beautifully we have come above. Now if we can have this candle close above this resistance line, then I'm pretty sure we're going to have another leg up towards the upside, but that doesn't mean the force to the downside is over yet. Okay, because you can see right over here we have this major resistance. Okay, and if you can just take your Fibonacci. Okay, let's just measure this move. Whoops, sorry. This one over here. Okay, you can see clearly we found support at the 1.414. So potentially we can come up and come at least to the 42,000s if we can break this resistance right over here. Right over here. Okay, we can at least come to the 42,000s. Look at this. Look at this resistance levels right over here, right over here, over here, over here. So if we can, just break this level, that's going to be a very bullish sign in my viewpoint, because then we can just come up, find support right over here, and then start moving towards the upside. Now, let me give you another scenario, okay? Because Bitcoin overall, if you look at this pattern, okay, and watch this video till the end because it's a very important scenario. We had this. I've already explained to you about this pattern where we had this bearish um, head and shoulder pattern, and the target towards the downside is somewhere around these levels, this low or right over here, about the right over here, I would say. Okay, let me just mark it really quick, 29,000s. Okay, so this is the price target, and I told you sometimes you don't even reach at those targets, because if the buying force comes in, and you can see over here we do have some buying force come in, because look at this beautiful volume and those green candles. This is your signal in a way. Okay, so now if we just take this off and look at this. I told you we had this rising channel, and normally they break to the downside, and that's what happened. We broke to the downside, and then we came and had a little bit of a volume coming, and we broke towards the upside. So this was a very beautiful indication. That's why you see a lot of volume come in at these candles. Okay, and you can see the price is trying to stay up. Okay, and we did have, I told you about the news that India was gonna have some, the tax, the percentage. So that meant that they weren't gonna ban Bitcoin. And I'm pretty sure there's some other good news coming out as well. Okay, so now if you look at this, um, this right over here. Whoops, let me take this off. So let me draw it a little bit properly. If you look at this pattern, okay, you know that this is a bearish head and shoulder. The price target is at 29,388. Okay, so this breakout that we had, I think it's a very beautiful breakout. If you can stay above this resistance, I mean, this is what Bitcoin can do. Okay, let me show you now. Okay, it broke out right over here. It might come back and find some support. If not, it might just break this level. Okay, now if you can just slowly come up, you see this yellow neckline, this big resistance line. Once we broke out, this is where the I mean, once we broke out, the price has been coming down. Okay, so if we can just slowly come up, and here. Okay, so let's see where that resistance is gonna be. Okay, it's gonna be right over here and here. These are your, I can at least say right over here actually. Okay, this right over here, because if you come here, okay, you're gonna battle the right shoulder over here, and you're also gonna battle this. Okay, somewhat of a resistance right over here as well. But if you break this, the 53, 52,000s, okay, I'm gonna just keep it very simple. If you break this area over here, okay, right over here, this is the 50,000 to 53,000 area. Okay, 53,700. If you break this resistance, okay, Bitcoin is actually gonna go and make all-time highs. Okay, the reason I say that is because if Bitcoin breaks these, the right shoulder, the left shoulder, and this neckline, okay, you have actually created a reversal. This is a reversal that's it's gonna create, and then you're gonna have a target towards the upside. Okay, so like I told you before, if you look at this pattern that I kept on saying that we are not done with the downtrend yet, okay? Because we can certainly have a reversal from the breakout, okay? But if we have a daily candle close above this resistance line, that's your indication price is going to move towards the upside, okay? Now, I told you that Bitcoin can make this pattern over here as well. Let me take this lines off actually. Okay, so you see this pattern, okay? Now I told you that Bitcoin, let me take this off as well, was in this shape, okay, in this form. So I told you it was gonna make this crazy pattern where it went up, came down, went up, came down, like a bearish double bottom. And you could also call this a M pattern, okay? But if you find support somewhere here, okay, or here, okay, because this was the technical target. Now, if we can just lift off from here, you can see that we are making somewhat of a W pattern, a bullish pattern, okay? And then we can have this scenario play out, okay? Something like this, okay? And you can just draw this where you have a very beautiful ascending triangle formation, okay, where Bitcoin is just playing in this pattern. You see what I mean? And then a breakout. And I also told you whenever that breakout happens from this neckline, you're going to have a technical target to the upside in between the 120,000 to about this is the technical target for this ascending triangle, okay? But about 120,000 to 150,000, I would say, but this technical target is 168,000. So somewhere around there, okay? Somewhere around there, we can surely get there, you know, if this plays out like that, okay? But we are making progress, and this is a very good sign to the right direction, okay? But okay, guys, things are looking very bullish right now for Bitcoin. Hopefully we can close the candle green, and then more upside is coming, okay? But thank you so much. Give me a like if you want me to continue making these kind of videos, because that if you hit the like button, I would know that you want me to keep making these videos, okay? Subscribe to my channel and comment below what do you guys think, okay? Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.